Going on YouTube, is your boy O'Neal back with another another banger. And oh, I see that trooper sitting right there. Is he gonna come for me? Yeah, I'm doing 85. But today's video, I'm doing something I wanted to do for a very long time to like any of my cars, and I think I have a clip of my very first car, my Honda Civic, that I did something along them lines, but I did it underneath the what's it called? The footwell. I'm doing the ambient lighting. I'm on my way right now to Brooklyn to go to this guy to do it for me. I found him off of Instagram, so I hit the dude up, boom, boom, we set an appointment up. So we're finna go do the ambient lighting. I'm giving y'all a POV. I haven't gave y'all a POV in a minute. I hope this stuff is good. I haven't done this in a while with the camera, but as you see, as y'all can see, I have the steering wheel on. It's kind of dirty already. I gotta get a kit to clean it. I don't know what this is on there. Some type of stain or something. I don't know. But we got the steering wheel on, so hopefully that looks good for y'all. But when we do ambient lighting, we're going to do a nighttime POV drive with the ambient lighting, and the steering wheel is done. Like everything gonna be done. It's gonna be so nice. I can't wait to do that POV drive. Snow. And I have a lot of stuff. Oh, I can't see nothing with the sun. Oh my God! Please make it stop. Make it stop. There we go. Oh, give me a beer. I have a lot of stuff coming for the car because y'all don't know, I'm taking the car to Beamer Invasion, so that's the big thing. So I have a lot of stuff that I've been cooking up and plotting with this car, and I'm excited. I have the turbo, intercooler. I gotta get a custom tune, but other than that, I got the turbo, intercooler, blow valve, the whole 9 yards. I gotta get brakes. That's what I do gotta get. Why would you get over?
Take the exit.
I do have to get brakes, but that's what I'm coming. Oh, I can't see. This sun is bright as hell. Oh my God. But the car's coming along, version 2. Oh, and rims. I'm picking up rims next week for the car. We're trading the 437s for something crazy, so we're supposed to be trading the 437s for these rims, but we'll see how everything goes when I go and see them. But it's supposed to be the goal. But the car's been running good, no problems, no hiccups. It's been grinding, trying to lock in and get a bunch of stuff I need for the car. The car's doing good, and I do have a lot of stuff coming. Going into today's video, the ambient lighting, I can't see nothing. Y'all can barely see anything, so I'm gonna cut to when we're not sitting in sun and on the way.
I'll give you all of it, give me all of it, I need all of it. I just ride into the feature, deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia, she can't. I got sins on my mind and the M's, got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends, yeah, got my friends on my mind.
Look at that shot. We are in Manhattan. Look at that. Look at the buildings. I got cut off by I got cut off by X2. What the hell? We are 30 minutes away. We gotta go over. We're gonna go down West Side Highway, and then forget what tunnel we gotta take. Some tunnel, and then from there over the bridge, or I don't know. I really don't know. I'm really just freestyling right now, to be honest. But now we gotta take it easy because God forbid we get a exhaust ticket, you get a speeding ticket, red light camera ticket. It's all these tickets you can get in Manhattan. It's all these potentials. Like you get this, you could get that, you could get this, and you don't want none of that. Oh, I'm already doing, because I'd be damned to catch one of those right now. Oh, boom, 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 But I hope y'all had a good Christmas and New Year and a really good holiday season or whatever. Oh, pizza butter slice. A good holiday season. I know I've been MIA for like 2 months, so hope y'all had a good everything. Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. So we're 30 minutes away and we're in the big, oh look at planes. Wow, jets. That's kind of cool. We gotta go there one day. But yeah. We're currently 3 minutes out. We're around the corner. We're around the corner, chat. We're around the corner. Let's do it. You gotta watch the video, gang. That's the only way. You wanna see what I'm getting done to the car? You gotta watch the video. I'm one of those. I'm doing that.
You doing that, bro?
I'm doing that, bro. Say hi to the cam, gang.
Yo.
Look at you. You're gonna work down to the car. In the towns, in your towns. And I didn't have to check in with you either. What you gonna do about it? You didn't check in. What you gonna do about it?
What I'm gonna do about it?
Oh, alright. Oh, alright. Oh, alright. Oh, alright. Oh, alright.
So,
Oh. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God, chat. Let's hold on. Hold on, not that. Hold on, let's. Oh! Wait. So if this goes on, this is orange. So we're gonna change that to white with the white and the pink. Oh my God, chat. Hold on. Hold on. That's hard, chat. You see that? We got the ambient lighting going. Let's see how that look on the cam. That look good on the cam. Yeah, I really can see that. Oh yeah, so they're gonna do POV, the night POV gonna look crazy with the ambient lighting and stuff like that. Oh my God, it's gonna look so good. So basically, yeah, this is what we did. Look at the back. Yo, nah, it should go crazy. With the ambient lighting going, you feel me? Probably car feels kind of new now. I know it's on me. We got the blue, got that teal, the purple. Oh, that yellow go crazy. You can do yellow, whitish. Got the white, black. I don't understand why you want to do black. Got the red, got the green, and then there's styles too. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna turn this down before I get copyright. Oh, sheesh. Look at that. That's hard. Look at that, chat. Oh my God. Nah, we did our big one. Damn. Yeah, but this is, ooh, it's Tetris. But this is the reason 2 miles, 0.2 mile turn right on for that bush. But this is the reason we can't. What the hell is he doing? But this is the reason we down here. We got all these Ooh. We got all these options. It's just so fire. So now the interior is basically done for me, because it's up here. I could do the underneath, the colors underneath, to give it some more OEM-esque type feel, and like the footwell and stuff like that, but we might do that, but like maybe not. I don't know. But just if we put back my pink, because that's my color, that's like tough. Here we go. Pink is my color. I might do a video tonight, to be honest. You might be seeing the same day. I'm so excited. But really that's it. I really got nothing else to say. Got nighttime POV coming. We're gonna start doing the turbo and the intercooler and go stay Su Plus and whatever. We're about to go crazy, because we have what, 4 months until Beamer Invasion. So we're gonna get this car ready for Beamer Invasion. I got the rims coming next week. There'll be another video. I got like, right now I probably got like 2 videos lined up for y'all. I know it's been a year, you feel me? I'm just off and on and stuff like that, but it's only up from here. We got stuff going for the car. Y'all not gonna want to miss it. I'm not gonna lie, because if I'm excited, I know y'all gonna be excited. And there's people asking for videos. I got y'all. I got you for the videos. Y'all wanted it. So make sure y'all sub up. We're on the road to 250. We'll probably hit 300 subs. Actually, scratch that. We're to 500 subs at the end of 2026. 500 subs, 2026. So we're going to do it. We're going to grind. We got to get done. So go subscribe, like, comment, subscribe for more amazing content like this. Woo! O'Neal out. Peace.